Want to see some true American gangster history? Stop at Stateline and see the Bonnie and Clyde death car. This is one of the vehicles they used to commit the robberies and were eventually killed in. This video brought to you by SoCal Review Plus. On your next trip to or from Vegas, make sure you stop at Stateline or Prim, Nevada at Wiskry Pete's Hotel and Casino. Most passersby might think this is just a convenient place to get gas, use the restroom, or get a snack. But Wiskry Pete's has been the proud owner of the Bonnie and Clyde death car for a number of years. Don't know about Bonnie and Clyde? Give me 2 minutes to explain. Following the Great War, also known as World War I, the United States fell into a Great Depression after a stock market collapse. This is the time of Bonnie and Clyde, famous bank robbers in the 1930s. They gained popular appeal by robbing banks, which were perceived as stealing from the small folk. Bonnie and Clyde became to be known as a Robin Hood type couple and took the nation by storm and were very popular at this time. Later, several movies were made about their exploits, the most popular which starred Warren Beatty, and later in the 2000s, there was a remake that was more graphic or bloody, but without much plot, and was not quite as good as the Warren Beatty movie. This couple's exploits were the rage of the media and were well documented, as they were assisted by friends, family, fellow members of their crew, as well as citizens who did not know them but supported them in their endeavors to take back the money that they felt was stolen by big business tycoons. Bonnie and Clyde would purposely operate between state lines to limit law enforcement's jurisdiction over their crimes. However, on May 23, 1934, an ambush was set up in a heavily wooded area. As Bonnie and Clyde approached, an anxious law enforcement officer took a shot, and then all the others started shooting as well. This was the end of Bonnie and Clyde. Law enforcement, who was previously heavily outgunned, now armed themselves with state-of-the-art BAR rifles, Tommy guns, and semi-automatic pistols. When everything was said and done, no less than 112 bullets were found in the car. This is not counting the bullets that struck the individuals or flew through the windows. The Bonnie and Clyde death car, as it's come to be known, was purchased in 1988 by the Wiskry Pete's Hotel and Casino for $250,000. Ironic, the famous couple who was ambushed near a state line now find their museum housed at Stateline Prim. This exhibit is free to the public and is a must-see. Who knows how long this will continue to be hosted here. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for additional content. And as always, leave a comment below so I know what you want to see next.